Types of chemical reaction, Chapter 6, Class 7. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction: the change of one or more substances into other substances having different composition and property. So this is called chemical reaction. Means in chemical reaction, one or more substances, so they change and they produces new substances which have different composition as well as property. Examples you can see: CS means carbon solid. When it reacts with oxygen gas, then it produces CO2, carbon dioxide gas. Second example: two molecules of hydrogen react with one molecule of oxygen to produces two molecules of water. In a chemical reaction, children, you have to remember the substances which react together or which take part in a reaction. They are called reactant, whereas the new substances formed after the reaction, the new substances formed, they are called products. So the reactant, they react and to produce the products. Products are the new substances formed after the reaction. Different types of chemical reaction. Children, you will study different types of chemical reactions. Their names are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reduction reaction, precipitation reaction, exothermic and endothermic reaction. These all reactions we will study one by one. The first type of reaction is combination reaction. Combination. Okay, so what is combination reaction? The reaction in which two or more than two elements or compound, they combine together and form a single product. Here you can identify the product is single. Two or more than two reactant, they react and they produce only one product. Such a reaction is called combination reaction. All the types of combustion reaction, so they are the example of this combination reaction. You can see from the pic, A plus B or plus C, these combine to produce ABC. Examples of combination reaction: hydrogen gas combine with chlorine gas Cl2 and produce HCl, hydrochloric acid. Similar, magnesium solid react with chlorine gas to produce magnesium chloride solid. Fe means iron solid react with sulfur solid to produce FeS, iron sulfide solid. Magnesium oxide solid react with water liquid to produce magnesium hydroxide aqueous solution. Children, in all these examples, two substances combine to produce a single product. So these all are the examples of combination reaction. Synthesis reaction. The combination reaction is also called synthesis reaction because in these reactions, two substances, they combine to synthesize or to produce a new substance or product. For example, synthesis of ammonia. Ammonia is formed by the combinations of nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. Nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas combine to produce ammonia NH3. Okay. Decomposition reaction. Second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, these are opposite of combination reaction. Now, a reaction in which a substance is broken down into two or more simpler substances is known as decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, the reactant is 1 and the products are 2 or more than 2. So here the single substance break down and produce products which are more than 2. A decomposition reaction, this is opposite of combination. A decomposition reaction takes place only when some energy in the form of heat, light or electricity is supplied to the reactor. According to the energy source, decomposition reaction, these are of 3 types. Various types of decomposition reaction. Before that, you understand the picture. ABC, a single substance. It breaks down to produce 3 products, A plus B plus C. So this happens in decomposition reaction. Now their types are thermal decomposition reaction. Means here the energy source is heat. Some heat is given. We are heating the reactant. Second is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Here the energy is supplied in the form of electricity. And here its example is electrolytic decomposition of water. Third is photo decomposition reaction. Here the decomposition reaction is carried out by sunlight. Examples of decomposition reaction. First is zinc carbonate. When it is heated, then it produces two products, zinc oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Water, when it is electrolyzed in the presence of electricity, then it produces two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, calcium carbonate, when it is heated, then it produces calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Fourth example, this is H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. When it is heated, then it produces water and oxygen gas. These all are decomposition reaction. All are the examples of decomposition reaction.